Here's how to download and install Therm. Open up your favorite browser. Type in Therm download. Click enter. Open up the first link or the link that has the URL which starts with windows.lbl.gov. Here are different versions of Therm to download. Since 7.7.07 version does not work on my computer, I'll scroll down and download some earlier version. I will download the 7.6.01 version. I will download the full setup. Once downloading is finished, let's start with installation. Let's click on this file. Click yes. Click OK. And let's start with installation. Since I've already read through all of those things, I'll just click accept. And let's start installing. Click OK. Click install. And now we have downloaded and installed Therm. Click finish. And now to open up Therm, let's just type in Therm. Double click on that. And here we go.